Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on ULEFONE Power Armor 18. So you have to start with opening your settings application and now scroll down and click on Google and now click on manage your Google account. Now go to data and privacy, scroll all the way down and click on delete your Google account. Now click continue. Now you have to type in your lock screen pattern. Now scroll all the way down and you have to check all this both checkbox and then click delete account. Now your Google account has been deleted, but you can recover your Google account by signing in back into your account. So let's type in your email address. Now you should see this screen and you can just click next and you can type in your password. And now you can click I agree. Now click more and accept. And now you are logged into your Google account again and parental control is off. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.